god, oh my god, oh my god.
I look like David Bowie.
Oh my god.
My eyeshadow skill level, I believe, would be like a 5 out of 10.
I'm usually the person who just sticks to like warm tones because they're the easiest to kind of get away with, you know what I mean?
It's a huge skill to be able to like blend.
I agree. I stick to the warm tones.
Exactly.
And I kind of just like blend till it like looks good.
I have to do it all the time because I have hooded eyes, and so I try to like make them look bigger and not so sad looking.
First person that comes to mind, do you know who I'm thinking of?
All of our creators are kind of
they're amazing.
Slaying the eyeshadow game.
Nikki Tutorials.
Oh, slaying the all around.
I mean,
game.
everything.
They're so good.
Yeah, it's like she came out of her mama's belly.
With the cut crease.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
They're warm tones, but it doesn't even look good.
These colors are insane.
Very interesting shape. How does it know that everyone's eyelids look like this?
So there's no instructions.
Okay, so I think
This doesn't fit my eyeball.
hold it on, because it's pressed on.
This is going right up to my brow bone.
We're like pirates.
I'm
Good?
just kind of like moving it around a little bit.
Okay.
Just to get like an even distribution.
Oh, you're getting ready to blend, huh?
3, 2, 1.
I look like David Bowie.
Oh my god. Whoa, that's some highlighter on the end.
Yeah.
From a distance, you can't even tell.
That actually looks nice with your eye shade.
Let me see. You know, it's recoverable.
The green is and the
Yeah.
gold and bronze is like, that's good. This is a little crazy.
If I close my eyes, it's okay-ish.
Yeah.
This is what it looks like after you applied it. There's hardly anything left.
I'm going to a concert.
Wear this.
I'm going to
Done.
Lady Gaga. I should do this.
Perfect.
Cheers to the eyeshadow.
Cheers to the eyeshadow gods. May you be with us.
Well, how about I put yours on and you put mine on?
Okay.
This is why I should never be a makeup artist. This would be the kind of product I would use.
3,
2.
1.
Whoa.
Okay, that's not really correct.
That looks way better.
It does?
Yeah.
Oh!
I'm gonna lift up.
Oh.
This is not my color.
I'm afraid to.
It looks good. I think it looks great.
Okay, let's blend.
Blend till you can't, until your hands come off.
This is not where I normally put my highlighter shade.
As soon as I touched it with the brush, it just came off.
It's honestly a lot better than I thought it would be.
Everything is going away, which I don't mind.
The 80s show, a festival. If you're seeing Rocky Horror Picture Show, this would be great.
It looks like I did a swatch of Fenty Beauty.
Don't I look like a panda though? Like it's white and then black.
This might be better than something I could have ever done.
You put on liner and I put on lashes to try to make this work.
I'm actually like super surprised that I love
Yeah,
this.
me too.
I would say it's an okay.
I would give it a 2 thumbs up, especially if you're going for that cut crease look, if you're maybe not committed to getting like a super bright colored eyeshadow. This might be a good way to test it out.
Was it fun to try? Yes.
For all you girls who are not talented, like me, you should get this.
What shall we try next? What is the next invention in makeup?
Or stamp eyeliner.
Stamp on contour.
Oh.